My name is Tatiana Yerohimova. I'm the festival organizer. It is our 12th festival, and I think it's our best one. It's celebration of science and technology. It's not just your regular open house. We like when people join us in our celebration. We like our event, and we like to share our love with community.
Howdy, my name's Perkins. I'm a senior physics major at Texas A&M, and I am running the depth charge demo at the Physics Festival. This is one of my favorite things that I get to do all year because the community around Texas A&M is just so supportive of us in the physics department. It's our opportunity to get to give back and invite them into what we get to do here. Kind of give a demonstration of what we're learning and kind of invite them to take an interest in our interest. I remember being a young child and going to demonstrations like this and it being so visual and getting me really interested, and that's initially what got me into the sciences. So it's cool that I get to be a demonstrator and get to be that for another child.
Yeah, the Physics Festival is great because you get a lot of kids and a lot of families, and it's awesome to get kids not even just learning about science, but getting excited. So when they see something that's really cool and they can actually interact with and do themselves, and they can see why it works and hear the explanation, the physics and the science behind it, it's great to see that connection with them where they get to understand and get excited that science is cool. It's not just nerdy or hard, but it's something they can achieve and get excited about.
It's wonderful to see the young kids when they see things, phenomena for the first time, and they're so surprised and they're so intrigued and they want to get into it and their eyes just bug out. And as you try and explain it to them and then they start to get a sense of it, they start to appreciate that the world around them is not just magic, it's magical, but it can be understood. And by looking at it, studying it, thinking about it, they can understand it. They can grow, and they are the reason I'm here.
Yeah, I really love the lectures of the astronaut, and I love the experiments that are set up for the public. It's a really good idea to have a festival similar to this one.
We actually traveled all the way from Michigan today, and we are glad we planned ahead so we could be here. And we also hope to be back next year because there's so many things to do that one day really doesn't even begin to cut into it. So this is so much for so many people, it's wonderful.
Agreed.
Yeah.